I found you.
I found you. Hi guys, I'm Greg.
Hey.
I'm Greg.
Hello everybody. Garrick. Greg.
The new mask. The new world.
This is our intro. You're supposed to say hello to
Hello,
everybody.
I'm Greg. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you.
We're going to get our nachos for the nacho review, and we're going to take the BMW X7. It's an X750M, or an M50.
Who's driving?
The bigger beast. I'll drive.
Okay.
It's beautiful. It's got every option. All right.
So it's in his ears. A little steak in there?
We got the,
steak?
we're talking about the car.
Sorry.
Talking about the car.
Thought we were talking about the features
Take
of your
a look
body.
at the inside. This
Your
is
body.
his favorite part.
We're not talking about your body?
We could. There's a lot to talk about.
Oh, there we go. My personal favorite is the color of the interior. This nice saddle brown.
It is a beautiful
This
saddle
little
brown.
sunroof.
This.
At night, you have like a nice what color are these lights
It's
called
like
again?
light,
No,
like a neon?
what's the
Fiber optic?
No, these things. What do you think it's called?
Yeah, they're called,
That thing right there. Watch out. Right there.
they're called,
Come on, think about the G-Wagon for a second. Think of what it's called when you go in.
no, mood lighting.
No, it's not called that either.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not called that. It's called
But
like.
check out this shifter. So this
Can I
shifter.
just finish speaking, dude?
I don't know what
Why do
you're
you keep
talking about.
fucking interrupting me? Every time we
lighting?
speak, we just use like over talk. Like, why even speak?
Well, mood lighting.
It's not. No, it's not.
I close that
It's
case.
called, it's called something else. It's cool. It's a cool name.
The shifter. Talk about the shifter.
It's
Looks
an
really
option,
nice.
by the way. It doesn't come on every one. It's a special order. It's called the Crystal Edition. I don't think it's called Crystal. I just made it up.
You got all the infotainment here. You can adjust the ride height,
These
off-road,
quads right here.
cruise control,
Anyone wants to see what a quad looks like? That's what it looks like.
cruise control, parking brake, and then you have all these modes: Sport, Comfort, Eco, Pro, Adaptive, and then you have parking sensors. It's a sick car.
Also, hold on, whoa. It has a charging system right
Charging
there.
mat for your phone, and it's got
Every
heated
time I
and
start
cooled
talking, you
seats.
just talk right. You just start talking.
You said
while
a
talking.
charging system.
Every time. I don't give a fuck.
It's
It
a
is a
charging
charging
mat.
system. Just shut up until I'm done talking, and then correct me. It has a cooling system.
Off we go.
For your cup holder. You can cool your cup or you can heat your cup. One thing this car is missing. Guess what it's missing, Garrick?
It doesn't serve me food.
Doesn't serve food, but one more thing.
Cooler.
It doesn't mute the driver. But shut the fuck up. He talks too much.
Shut the fuck.
It's a Fahawk with a PH.
We're gonna go into sport.
It also has this little thing right here for the, what's this thing called again? It's a
USB-C.
USB-C,
Yeah.
which is really cool to have. And it's got captain back seats with our captain right there. There's our captain, Captain Tom.
Captain Tom.
There's another row back there, a third row. So captain seats and a third row. Needs a good clean, this car. It's dirty. Seats are dirty. The interior, that's all digital. Got all the coolest up-to-date technology that BMW offers. Best seats in the league as well.
Heated and cooled seats. Super nice steering wheel. Very comfortable. You have everything right here. You have the infotainment up there as well.
Yes, she still talking. She still talks all the time.
It's got a good exhaust. It's fast, this one. It's the V8 turbo.
The other one we have is a V8, isn't it?
No. This is the X7 5.0. That one's just the X7. I don't know what it is. I think a 3.8 or 4 or something.
Okay. What's the daily rate of the car?
Daily rate of this bad boy during the COVID is down to $150 a day.
What, regularly?
Regularly $200 a day. It's $199 a day.
All right.
You have all 3 rows, sport utility, gets up and goes. Look at these fucks. Just sitting out there. Who's paying them? Is that our
These
tax
fucking
dollars?
Pieces of shit.
Is that our tax dollars
You
at
can't
work?
even go to the fucking beach to go for a jog anymore.
You can't even go on the bike path. That's a bike
fucking
path.
You can't even go surfing. You can't run it. You can't run the beach. I understand closing the beach for people that are like wanting
Tourists.
to like fucking picnic and gather and sunbathe, but like to go down to the beach, go for a jog or a run, like really? This is what it's come down to?
And they have people like every half mile patrolling it.
Let's talk about the lighting system again. What is it called? We should call Chris. Let's call Chris on the speakerphone. I guarantee he'll fucking know it right off the bat.
How do you call?
A
Oh, it's
proper
on your
terminal.
phone. So if you call him on your phone, it'll be good.
Let's just do a voice activated
yes.
phone call.
Yeah, we could do that.
Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Garrick?
Call Chris Cornish.
Who should I call?
Chris.
What is the name?
Chris!
Do you have more than one Chris?
If I didn't recognize the name, please make sure that it is in your contacts.
Okay. Christopher.
I'm sorry. Sometimes I seem to be somewhat hard of hearing.
Yeah, no shit. We're gonna call Chris manually, because this doesn't work very well. Hear that engine?
Great
revving,
sound.
revving,
Great sound.
revvy.
It's got paddles. I'm not using them, but heated steering wheel.
But do you like these paddles better than the Porsche? Garrick?
They're about the same. So you got to reach for them. I like it right here where it's comfortable. I like that they move with the wheel. That's great, but they're just a little.
Some low. Oh, here we go, Chris.
Hello?
Ambient lighting. Ambient lighting. That's what it's called. I just knew when I heard his voice, I'd figure it out. Ambient. What's it called when you get all those nice, beautiful lights in the X7 and a G-Wagon, Christopher?
Ambient lighting?
Yeah, see?
You're
Would you have
such a
known that if
gem.
I didn't say it? I was typing.
Huh?
It's working. Nothing.
Let's do it a deal.
You do a deal right now?
I don't. No, I can't hear you guys.
Okay. Because you got maybe your bitch pods in and a headset and probably talking to someone else taking a nap.
No, the reception's not the best, so it's
Okay.
kind of spotty.
Are you blaming the X7 for that?
No, I'm blaming your phone.
Okay. It's not very nice. I'd rather
I
not
think-
have this conversation with you anymore. Are we
I
buying you
think
lunch
you
right
would
now? Are we
agree.
buying you lunch right now?
I don't know what's going on.
So we are.
Who's we?
I don't know. My wallet's the only one that's in the car. That has money in it.
That means that.
Garrick does that a lot. He leaves his wallet at home.
No, my
No,
wallet's
well,
in the car. It just doesn't have any money.
Garrick's
in it.
arms
Oh.
are not long. He's like a little. He's like a raptor, dinosaur.
It's
Where his hands.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
That's it. Where his
Where,
hands.
like
can't-
his hand, yeah, his hands can't reach his wallet.
There's a third sunroof back there. It's just not open.
Yeah, open it up, Tom.
He doesn't know how to do that.
I'm just kidding.
I think
Bye,
you could do
Chris.
that. Oh, it also has like the. Once you put up
See?
the old the shades in the back, the power shades. This is pretty good feature. You have kids, you want them to go to sleep, you do a little shut
There
seat.
you go.
Do one of these.
We're gonna put Tom to sleep.
Do one of these. Oh, it's my phone. And then we do one of those. And Ryder and Wyatt go to bed. It's easy. It's like
I
a
can
little.
Open the back one.
Just shuts them right down. It's absolutely perfect. Lots of room in here. Drives great.
pretty
It's
sure I
not so
can do
much
it.
a soccer mobile, but close.
Check it out. I opened the back one. Look at the back. I opened it.
There it is.
Third sunroof. How many sunroofs do you want? We have all
We have
that
three.
you do.
Because you were in that back third row, you want to have some sun.
Yeah.
Get one little sunscreen. Also apply sunscreen to your body while you're sitting in the seats. Well, you get out. I'll give my
Sauna's
wallet.
over there. Oh yeah, perfect.
There you go. Just block him from backing out. You know
The key's insane. Gotta get the key out of my pocket. Look at the key on this thing.
It's a phone, cell phone.
It's
slash
a,
key.
it doubles as a cell phone.
Should we just put up the third row here real quick? Look at this little baby.
Check it out. A little power system there.
Boomsy. And then you can do one of these. Oh, wrong one.
Woo! Look at that. Look at that.
Just know how we don't wash these cars, dude.
Oh, it's making that one
That's
back.
the wrong one.
You can move that row
What is
and
that
this
little
row.
screen for there? Oh, you got a little climate
Oh,
control.
yeah, a little climate control in the rear. Nice. Pop it up.
Row. Boom.
Oh,
And just
very nice.
Absolutely washed, dude. I can't believe it.
I told you, Tom, this is why I
Little
didn't want to
things.
take this vehicle. I
Little
wanted to
things
take the
matter,
Porsche.
man. Little things fucking matter.
This is why I didn't want to take this car. I didn't
This
want
is why
him in
This
this
is why
car.
Daddy's back in town.
I didn't even know this car was here.
That's why Gregory's back in town.
The boys are back in town. Check out Greg's outfit. He's colorblind, so
What do you mean? Black and blue?
it's like a neon blue. It's like a,
The Dodgers blue? LA Dodgers blue?
yeah. If they, yeah.
Watch yourself, you're running into somebody.
The three best friends.
Where are we
that
going?
Anyone? Right here, Asada. It's in a nice
Can I just give
location.
you my wallet? I want to go in there.
You don't have to go in there. There's a takeout window on the side.
Can I give you the card?
But it's just right there. It's a takeout window. I ordered for Garrick. It's like 3 nachos and a asada plate.
Talk to you at the top and then just sign for me.
Thumbs up from
Can I
us.
pull this out now? There we go. Thank you. Got it? Okay, we're done.
X7, X-Drive, all-wheel drive, 50. It's the V8. You can rent it. You can rent it on the website,
How
Turo,
does this
anywhere
not
you
match?
want. I don't know. Just the white. You rent it for a great price. It comes with 150 miles a day. You can rent it for as long as you like. You even get a discount if you rent it for over 2 weeks.
Oh,
And
I
you
lost
get
my mic.
a bigger discount if you rent it for over a month.
Or if you're a member of the KGB, we do really good discounts for 5 months.
Yes, we did have a Russian KGB member rent it. We don't know that he was KGB,
We're just pretending he was.
but he was a Russian guy that
We thought
literally
maybe
rented it. For
He
how
looked
long?
like a KGB.
6 months, and he put like 2,000 miles on it. It was great.
Yeah.
So
Car was in our rotation for what, a day or two?
Yeah.
It was gonzy.
links in the bio if you want it. Ask us questions, but don't ask us dumb questions.
Okay.
Ask like good questions. Like if you're gonna ask us a question, think about asking maybe a family member first. If they laugh at you, don't ask us.
Or Google it first, then
Yeah.
ask us.
Yeah, that's true.